Some of the challenges that we face with our hair are that maybe our hair is too dry, or maybe our hair is too frizzy, or possibly that our color is just not lasting that long. So when we want our hair to be in its healthiest state of living, it has to live on a pH scale of 4.5 to 5.5. So what we have down here is some water. This is just your everyday tap water. This is the water we drink. This is the water we use to wash our hair. So what I want to do is I want to find out where this water is living on the pH scale. So we'll put a couple drops here, give it a good stir, and what I can see is that this water is turning pretty blue. So when I look at my pH drop indicator, it's indicating that this water is sitting at a level 8. 7 is neutral, where water is typically supposed to live. This is 8, which is telling me it's a little bit more alkaline. Alkaline agents are what lifts our hair. So with just water alone, it could be lifting our cuticle where damage starts to happen. So Redken has come out with a treatment called acidic bonding concentrate. This treatment has 3 components: a protein component, a moisture component, and then the final component is our sealer. The sealer is in a very balanced pH so that we can bring our hair back down to where it wants to live healthy. So let's demonstrate what this looks like as it goes through the hair strand. So with our bleach water, a lot of the services that we do get in the salon are highlights or permanent color. These are all alkaline agents, which means it's lifting up our cuticle. It's lifting our hair outside of where it wants to live healthy. So let's see what decolorizer does to our hair. When I pour that in, give it a good stir, it has now turned purple, which this indicator is showing us lives at around a 9.5 to 10. So our goal is to bring that back down to that 4.5 range. So we're going to throw in some of our moisture component, followed by our protein component. We'll give that a good stir and see what happens. You can see it slowly starting to turn back to that blue color that it was when it was just your tap water. Now what I want to do is add that final component of our treatment, which is the sealer. This is going to go in and bring down our hair strand to that healthy state of a 4.5 to a 5.5. So you can see that is where it needs to live at a healthy, optimal state. Ask your Kenneth stylist at your next appointment and add the total hair transformation service for only an additional $27.